Do you want to unarchive Reels on Instagram? You can unarchive single or multiple Reel videos on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unarchive a Reel on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Next, at the top of your profile page, tap the three-line menu. A new screen will appear with various settings options. Under the How You Use Instagram section, find and tap on Archive. A new screen will display all your Reels and posts. If your Reels and posts are not visible, tap the drop-down at the top of the screen and select Post Archive. Now, browse through your archived Reels and select the one you want to unarchive. At the top right of the Reel, tap the three-dot menu. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Show on Profile. Once you do this, the Reel will be restored to your profile and visible again to your followers.